Many traditional remote job applications involve a resume, cover letter, interviews, and waiting. These 7 use a more direct entry route, a short test, writing sample, profile, or one-time task. I checked each process on the official site, and I'll show you the steps, what the page discloses about pay, and who each option is for. One is US only, one is Germany only, and some involve speaking rather than silent work. This list includes remote jobs, freelance platforms, and projects. Beginner means no previous remote work experience is assumed. It does not mean every task is easy or skill-free. Clickworker is a platform where companies post short digital tasks, AI training data, surveys, text creation, app testing, audio recordings, and web research, and contractors complete them online. Registration is self-service at workplace.clickworker.com, and no live interview is described in official onboarding. After activation, you can view the workplace and job list, but access to individual tasks depends on your location, profile information, and any qualification assessments that task type requires. No general degree requirement is published for registration. Requirements vary by task and may include language proficiency, location, specific skills, or, for some opportunities, previous work experience. Pay is per completed and approved task. No fixed rate is published. Eligible balances are processed through weekly bill runs. Payment methods, thresholds, and task availability vary by country, and workload is not guaranteed. The link is in the description. TranscribeMe delivers short audio clips, 2 to 4 minutes each, for contractors to transcribe. You need to be at least 18. Registration is free. You must connect a PayPal account to receive payment. That is a requirement, not optional. The entry gate is a transcription entrance exam, a short audio clip you transcribe and submit. Pass that, complete any onboarding steps, and you may access available work on the dashboard. The current general freelancer page does not publish a degree or previous experience requirement, but you must pass the exam and be able to use PayPal. On earnings. The official page advertises starting pay of $15 to $22 per audio hour and average monthly earnings of $250, but earnings and workload vary. It also advertises special teams rates of $60 to $70 or more per audio hour. That should not be treated as the standard beginner rate. One figure to understand: an audio hour is the length of the recording, not the time spent working on it. Actual completion time varies by typing speed, audio quality, and project requirements. The official page is linked below. UserTesting connects companies with people who test websites and apps and share their reactions. Upfront. This is not silent work. The platform has 3 test formats. Standard recorded tests, the main format, require you to speak your thoughts aloud while recording your screen as you navigate a site or app. That is confirmed as one of the 3 official approval criteria. Surveys do not require audio or video. Live conversations are an optional test type involving real-time video discussion with a researcher. You need to be at least 18. The process. Sign up at the Get Paid to Test page, create a profile with demographic information, then complete a 15 to 20-minute practice test that involves speaking aloud while navigating a website or app. The operations team reviews your submission without a live call. If approved, you access available tests on your dashboard. UserTesting recruits contributors in many countries, but eligibility and available test types vary by location. Check the current official country list before applying. Applicants must be comfortable speaking English, German, or French during the practice test. Pay is shown per test on the dashboard before you accept it. Paid via PayPal, typically 14 days after completion. Available tests depend on your profile, screener answers, and current customer demand. Approval does not guarantee a steady volume. The Get Paid to Test page link is in the description. Proofreadingservices.com hires remote proofreaders and editors to review documents, academic papers, business reports, and manuscripts for clients worldwide. The careers page states that applicants are welcome from any country. The publicly described process has 2 stages. Step 1 is a 20-minute preliminary multiple-choice test on the careers page. No appointment needed. If you advance, Step 2 is a proofreading test assessed by one of the company's editors. Any selection steps after those 2 are not publicly described, so verify the full current process on the careers page before applying. This suits someone new to remote work who already has strong proofreading and editing skills. The official page looks for what it calls superlative proofreading and editing skills. No degree or credential is named, but the standard is high. Pay is officially stated as $19 to $46 per hour, with higher rates for the most urgent deadlines. The link is in the description. The final 3 work very differently. One focuses mainly on written software testing. One is a Germany-only voice project paying $40. And the last is a US-only writing platform with published per-word rates. Testbirds is a software crowd testing platform where testers find bugs and provide feedback on websites, apps, and digital products. Registration is free at nest.testbirds.com. The steps. Complete your profile. A more complete profile increases the chance of receiving invitations. Register at least 1 testing device, then complete an unpaid entry test. The entry test teaches you the platform's format for reports and bug submissions, and your report must be approved by a birdmaster before you become eligible for paid invitations. You do not choose your own tests. Testbirds matches your profile to client requirements and sends invitations by email. Frequency depends on your location and profile match and is not guaranteed. Many standard bug testing tasks rely on written reports and screenshots. Other test types require spoken commentary or a live conversation. The type and any voice or video requirement are specified in each invitation before you accept. Before completing unpaid onboarding, verify that a supported payment method is available in your country. OnPay from the official FAQ. €1 for an accepted low-severity bug and €5 for an accepted critical bug. Those rates apply to bugs that are reviewed and accepted, not every bug reported. Usability tests carry a fixed payment of €10 to €50 or more, depending on complexity. The FAQ gives a rule of thumb of €10 or more per hour at normal working speed, but that is not guaranteed. Minimum payout is €6. Payments run mid-month and end of month in euros. The link is in the description. This listing is Germany only. If you are not based in Germany, the CrowdGen jobs board at jobs.lever.co/appin lists other language and country versions, each with its own confirmed pay rate. The link is in the description. For viewers in Germany, Project Morava, listed through CrowdGen by Appin, is a voice data collection project for AI speech recognition. If you are a native German speaker currently living in Germany, at least 18, and have a compatible smartphone, you record 150 short scripted voice prompts using the Appin mobile app. The full session takes approximately 2 hours, including guideline review. The official listing does not describe a skills assessment. Selection depends on meeting all 4 requirements: native German speaker, German residency, 18 or older and a compatible smartphone, and on demographic quota availability. Not every applicant who meets all requirements will receive an assignment. The application form may request a resume, education information, or other profile details. Pay is $40 one time for completing the full session. If fewer prompts are assigned, payment is adjusted proportionally. This is a one-time project. Completing it does not guarantee future work through CrowdGen. If the role has closed by the time you're watching, the official link is below. Textbroker is US only. Permanent U.S. residents only, verified with a valid U.S. ID or passport. You need to be at least 18. Textbroker connects writers with businesses that need articles, blog content. For standard author work, your submission must be original. The platform checks for plagiarism and unauthorized AI-generated content. Do not use AI unless a specific Textbroker project explicitly permits it. The process. Register free at textbroker.com and verify your U.S. eligibility. Answer grammar questions and submit a writing sample on a provided topic. Textbroker uses that sample to assign an initial quality rating. Create your payment account and begin writing through the opportunities available in your account. After your first 5 completed articles, Textbroker reviews your work again and may update your rating. Ratings affect which orders you can access and what you earn per word. On Pay, the official per-word rates. 3-star open orders, 1.1 cents per word. 4-star, 1.6 cents. 5-star, 5.5 cents. Direct orders. Minimum 2.2 cents per word. Team orders. Minimum 2.15 cents. Entry-level rates are low. Calculate the volume you would need before deciding if this is worthwhile for your situation. Payments use PayPal, processed twice weekly when the balance reaches $10 or more. The sign-up and author FAQ links are in the description. Every link is in the description, so check the official page for the current process. Grab my free Smarter Job Search Guide below to search more clearly and filter for roles that fit your situation. Coming up next, Amazon Remote Jobs. What's actually available and who qualifies? 7 opportunities, 7 different entry routes, self-registration, a practice test, a transcription exam, 2 proofreading assessments, an unpaid crowd testing entry test, a one-time voice project, and a writing sample. None promises instant approval or guaranteed work, but each has a more direct first step than many traditional multi-stage applications.